Good morning, students. Welcome to Vrinda Mathur's online teaching class of English. Today's series of lectures are addressed to all the students of BA Part 1. This is the General English compulsory class. You see, all of you, all the students of first year, whether you are in the science faculty, whether you are in the arts faculty, or whether you are in the commerce faculty, all the students of first year have to take the General English exam. Alright? And there is a syllabus prescribed for you. So the next few videos, the next series of lectures are addressed to all the students of first year. Right? Since this is my first lecture to the students of BA Part 1, I think I will begin with the syllabus. I will discuss the syllabus of General English with you first, which is what I usually do in my class, which is what I have been doing for the last 37 years. I have an experience of 37 years, teaching experience. And for the last 37 years, I have been discussing the syllabus of BA Part 1. Alright. So I will begin with discussing the syllabus. Please write it down. Right. It is a very important exam. You have to take it. You have to get pass marks for it. And if you get a high percentage of marks, then you get a proficiency in it. Right. So I'll be very happy if all of you can get a proficiency in the General English exam. Alright. So the General English paper is of 100 marks. Right. 100 marks, and it is divided into 4 questions. There are 4 questions. Alright. Question number 1 is dealing with phonetics. I will be discussing all these questions in detail with you in the class. I hope we meet very soon. But meanwhile, please attend the online teaching class so that you can begin studying seriously. So question number 1 is dealing with phonetics and vocabulary and translation. Phonetics, vocabulary and translation is question number 1. Question number 2 is grammar and usage. So in grammar and usage, you have 4 subtopics, 5 subtopics. I mean, there are 6 subtopics, but you have to answer only 4. You have to take only 4. So the 4 important ones are, the first is transformation. Transformation means change. As you all know, transformation is change. So transformation is dealing with change, changing from direct to indirect, from active to passive, and the degrees of comparison. Alright. So change of degrees of comparison. I'm sure you have done all these things in school. We will just do a revision class in college. Right. So we will discuss it in detail in college. So question number 2 is grammar and usage. In grammar and usage, you have a few subtopics. You have 5 subtopics. One is changing from the direct to indirect. Second is changing from active voice to passive voice. And then you have degrees of comparison. Then 4th number is modals, modal auxiliaries. And 5th is the sequence of tense. Alright. So we will be discussing, and then there are clauses and all that, but we will be discussing all these things in detail in the class. So question number 2. Now, as I told you in the beginning, the General English paper is of 100 marks, right? So question number 1, which is phonetics and translation, that is of 20 marks. Then question number 2, which is grammar and usage, is also of 20 marks, right? Then question number 3 is comprehension. Now comprehension is the most important question because it is carrying 30 marks. So in this you have comprehension. In comprehension you have this book prescribed for you, Essential Language Skills, and in this there are a few chapters which are prescribed for you. So I will be discussing all these chapters. You will get question answer. Comprehension means question answers. So you will be getting question answers from these 5 chapters prescribed for you in this book. Alright, we will do it in class, but if you want to buy the book, you can buy it. It is not very expensive. It is of 35 rupees. So you can buy it in the market. Then question number 4 is also very important. And question number 4 is composition. Alright, so composition is of again 30 marks. So 30 marks, you have letters and you have CVs. You have 3 subtopics: letters, CVs and paragraph writing. Paragraph writing and letters you have done in school, I'm sure. The CV, which is the curriculum vitae, how to write your curriculum vitae, I will discuss with you in class. Alright, so in this way you have the general English paper of 100 marks, right? So please write down all these topics, please write down the syllabus, and in each class, please stay tuned. Each class we will be discussing the various topics of general English. Thank you.